Episode 6, Part 7, Export for 3D Print. Now, 3D printers need a special type of file called an STL file so that they can print it. What they essentially do with that STL file is they take it into a program called a slicer, which slices it into the layers that the printer needs to draw out with the plastic. The trick is that we need to create one file with 3 different models in it, one actual body and 2 wheels. So let's get into Onshape and do that. Now we're in Onshape, there's no need to create a new part for this because we're not actually changing it, we're just exporting it. So I'm going to double click into my toy part 6, which is the last one I worked on. You might have part 7 or part 8 even. And basically we've got to export 3 models. Now normally you'd right click on something like this and you'd export it, but that's not going to work because that's just going to export the one model. We need to press and hold Shift and click on all 3 models, and then when we right click and go export, you'll see that it says assign material for 3 parts, edit appearance for 3 parts, check interference for 3 parts, but we need to export it. So now that we've got that done, we can export it. I'm going to call mine TIC 7X because I'm in 7X, you're in 7C or 7D or 7E or whatever it is that you're in. Format is STL. STL format is binary. Units must be millimeters. If you don't change that, then it won't work. Resolution is medium. Option is download. Do not check this box here. And I'm going to press on OK. It's now going to download. You can see the animated download thing going on there. I then need to submit it to the LMS. So I'm on the LMS now, and I'm going to basically just quickly change myself. I'm going to go view as a student, and now I'm going to go into submissions, and I'm going to click on this one here, not submitted. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to scroll down and find the add a file button. I'm going to look on my computer. I'm going to click on upload. Going to look in downloads for TIC 7X toy. That looks like the right file. If you're on a Mac, you can sort of rotate it around and have a look at it. It's got my name on it. Make sure it has your name on it. And hit choose. That's going to upload that file now. I'm going to click add. I'm going to hit submit. And that is now submitted, ready for your teacher to come in and download it themselves so that they can 3D print it. Once you're finished, you need to then fill out the section in the process journal, which is down there, generated STL and submitted to LMS.